How to import progress in the Encode app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find settings option at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find import progress right here. Now you can simply import your progress. Now tap on to import backup file from clipboard. Copy your backup file into your clipboard, then we will restore your progress from your clipboard. Now tap on it. Then tap on to allow paste. Now before you import your backup file from clipboard, you need to copy your backup file into your clipboard. So only after copying it, you can simply import it onto this Encode app. And that's it. This is how you can import progress into the Encode application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.